All right, so I haven't made one of these videos in a while. Today I'm going to show you how I get in my truck, load my chair, and I'm going to show you how I get out of my truck and put my chair back together. I'm going to do it in real time so I don't have to like fast forward. And this is how I do it if I was just kind of chilling. Oh, not really chilling, but. All right. Oh. Oh. See, there's really nothing to it. That probably took a little longer than a minute, but easy peasy.